I'm relatively new to trading. Got started about a little bit over a year ago, and I first took to social media to basically learn as much as I could. I joined a few different stock groups, investing groups, to learn as much as I could from other retail traders that knew a little bit more about it than myself. And I quickly learned that the market is heavily stacked against retail traders in favor of institutional investors, and it really was not a level playing field. Joined a specific Facebook group and got to know a gentleman named George, who I quickly learned to trust. He was developing a company and an app that basically attempted to level the playing field a bit. So he turned me on to his app called Prospero, and I've been using it for the last couple months. And it's been a pretty cool tool for me because it is pretty simple to use, and I need simple because I can quickly get overwhelmed with the information that is out there. And you just enter your ticker symbol to get additional information that you might be looking for. And a couple of points that I find useful on here are specifically the on long-term and short-term trades is net institutional flow and net social sentiment. The institutional flow in or out gives me an idea whether institutions are backing the trade, and then net social sentiment gives me a pretty strong idea as to whether retail is backing the trade or are feeling sort of negative towards it. I've learned a lot from George, and this has been a great tool. And he's definitely someone that I trust. Basically, his mission seems to align with what a lot of today's retail traders are fighting for, which is a fair and somewhat balanced level playing field when it comes to trading. So it's not heavily stacked against retail. So it's a pretty cool site. It's easy to use, and it does give a lot of quick information that I find useful when I am looking to enter or exit a trade.